Hello there! Today, we'll learn how to summarize lengthy email threads effortlessly with Copilot in Outlook. Hey, superstar! Guess what? Your manager has replied to your email and given you your first task, and it's a big one. Your manager wants you to review a super long email thread on a new project, get a grasp on the requirements and progress, and give him the highlights. The email thread is packed with project details, team discussions, and proposed strategies from your awesome team members. No sweat, you've got Copilot to lend a hand. Let's see how. First, open Microsoft 365 and get into Outlook. Find that email thread about the new project. When you open it up, brace yourself for a long chain of messages starting from when the project was initiated. You might even see a little pop-up telling you how many more messages are present below. Now, here comes the fun part. At the top of this email thread, you'll see the Summary by Copilot option. Go ahead and select that. When you do, Copilot swings into action. It scans the entire email thread. Copilot looks for the key points by going through all the information. Then, it pulls everything together and presents a summary of the whole email thread at the top of the email. Go through the summary to catch the key highlights from the email thread. Need more details on a summary point? Say you want to check the project's timeline. No problem. Just select the numbered citation in the summary, and you'll jump straight to the corresponding email in the thread. How cool is that? You can use the generated summary to give your manager the key highlights he wanted. See how a task that could have taken quite some time and effort is now wrapped up in a flash. And just like that, you've nailed summarizing an email thread with Copilot in Outlook. Easy, right? At this rate, you'll be a Copilot pro in no time.